Hope you all are doing good. So, today I'm gonna show you some real lovers I met in my lifetime. First, I wanna introduce the closest friend I've got in my life, and I am so happy to own this cutie. Her name is Sophie. She's still a 6-year-old baby to me. Look at this weirdo eating grass. She's our guardian who protects us from anything. And a great inspector too. And sometimes a lazy kiddo. Also, an active person in some situations is. Here you go with some pictures of my cutie. The second cutie I met. She's damn cute. And I hope you all could recognize her as a rabbit and not a squirrel. Here you go with another two cute boys. One is a Labrador Retriever and the other one is a German Shepherd. You all might feel like we are ignoring the Shepherd, but the Retriever is the one who is not giving us to cuddle the Shepherd. And the actual reason is that Retriever is trying to get our attention only towards him. Why so cute? Love them so much. Sorry for saying this, but I love animals more than humans. The animals' love is so pure. They expect only our love for them and nothing else. At his happiness. And this is the final doggy I'm gonna show you for now. She's an English Cocker Spaniel. Now, this video has come to an end, and hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll be there was a new video soon. Until then, stay safe and God bless you all.